dear friends, this is sunniva from TEWREX. We export different kinds of construction machinery like excavator, road roller, wheel loader, and so on. We also provide different kinds of special vehicles like dump truck, concrete mixing truck, and concrete pump. Now, I'm in Shanghai port now, and there are many machines that our company are going to export. Hello, dear friends, this is sunniva. Now I will introduce a famous and hot-selling XCMG XC740K skid steel loader. XCMG is a famous construction machinery brand, which ranks #1 in China and #4 in the world. Many clients praise XCMG machines for its good quality and professional after-sales service. Now, take a close look of XCMG XC740K. This new XCMG XC740K uses Japan YANMAR engine, which is well received in the market for its stability and strong power. There are also China Xinchai and Yuchai engine for you to choose. You can add a variety of different work tools, such as sweepers, forks, 4-in-1 buckets, augers, breakers.